Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to create chart of accounts in Axanta ERP. Chart of accounts are the list of all accounts used for recording the financial transactions. To go to the chart of accounts, click on the menu, go to Accounting module. Under Configurations, under Accounting you will find Chart of Accounts, so we'll click here. Here you will find all the chart of accounts created. There will be some accounts that will be by default created by the system. So this is the list view of chart of accounts. So here you can see the account code, account name, type of the account. Then there is Allow Reconciliation option. By activating the Allow Reconciliation option, the account allows invoices and payments matching of journal items. This option is usually enabled for accounts like receivable, payable, and other interim accounts. Now, account codification is a very important and crucial step in your chart of accounts setup. You must ensure that accounts codes are in proper sequence and all the codes are of the same length. This is extremely important when you are performing accounts grouping, else it may lead to incorrect summary and confusion during analysis. So now let's see how to create a new chart of accounts. Let's say that you want to create an expense account, so the preferred way is to group the accounts by its type. So we'll click on Group By and we'll click on Account Type. So all the accounts are grouped by its type. Then here, we shall click on Expenses, as we are creating a new expense account. Then we need to check the last sequence number of the account in this type. And then we need to click on the Setup button. Then, we need to click on Action and click on Duplicate. On clicking Duplicate, the system will create a new account. So here, as you can see, the system has generated a new account code automatically. And in the account name, you can rename the account name as, let's say, Marketing Expenses. And now you need to click on Save. And now if you will see, Marketing Expense account has been created, and if needed you can override the account code as well. Now let's say that you want to edit anything in the existing chart of accounts, so we'll have to click on this setup. Then here, as you can see, on the top right side, the system will show you the balance of this account. This is the account code. Here is the account name and the type is as income. Then here you have the deprecated option. So if there is an account which is no longer to be used, so you can enable this option. So then that account won't be visible and can't be used in any transaction. Then here you have the tags field. So you can add tags here for better classification and reporting. Below that, you'll see the Allowed Journals option. Now, let's say you want this product sales account to be used only with the customer invoices journal. In that case, simply select the customer invoices journal here. You can also select multiple journals if you want this account to be allowed in more than one journal. Once this is configured, the system will enforce this rule strictly. If you try to create an accounting entry using this account in any other journal, the system will not allow it and will prevent the entry from being posted. Then here, there is cash flow types. So if you will click here, there are three types we have created: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. So these cash flow types helps you to classify your various chart of accounts, and also you can create other cash flow types as per your business needs. Now let's understand what is account grouping. Account grouping is a very useful feature in Axanta ERP. Account grouping allows you to group your ledger accounts and to establish the hierarchy of those accounts, which helps you to create organized, clear, and more insightful financial reports like trial balance, improving report readability for decision makers. So here, as you can see, the product sales account is linked to this operating income group. So now let's see how to create account groups. So, in order to create account groups, click on the configuration. And under accounting you will find account groups. Now, here, these are the account groups that we have created. For this demo we have created 2 hierarchy groups. So let's understand the account group setup. Now here, on the first line, as you can see, we have created a main group as assets. So let's click here. Here, in the name, we have given the group name as assets. In the code prefix, we have given a code as from 1 to 1, which means that all the accounts codes which starts from 1 will be coming under this group. Now let's go back. Here on the second line, we have created a subgroup named as cash and liquidity. So basically, this group will come under the assets group. Now, let's click here. In the code prefix, we have given that all the accounts which are starting from 1014 to 1020 will be coming under the cash and liquidity group. So as soon as you will enter the range, so all the accounts within this range will be coming here. Similarly, we have created other subgroups as well, such as inventory, receivables, other current assets, and non-current assets, which will be coming under the assets group. And here, you will find the code prefix start and code prefix end. So likewise, we have created other groups and subgroups for this demo. Now based on the account group that we have created, let's take the trial balance report and see how it reflects. Click on reporting and click on trial balance. In the date range, we shall select this financial year. And we shall enable this show hierarchy option. And click on view. And here, as you can see, this is the trial balance, and here the main group is assets. Under assets, the subgroup is cash and liquidity, and under that these are the accounts. So this is how you can create various hierarchy levels in account grouping and achieve insightful reports in Axanta ERP.